This is a 2010 Audi A5, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Plus package, a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, heated windshield washer fluids so when you need to clean your windshield in freezing temps, you can, 18-inch alloy wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, stereo controls on the steering wheel, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This Audi has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.